Shoot the bull, mastering casual English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting English phrase, shoot the bull. This is a casual phrase you might hear in everyday conversations, especially in informal settings. Understanding such phrases is crucial for mastering conversational English, so let's get started. Shoot the bull is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to have a casual conversation about unimportant things, often for the sake of enjoyment or passing the time. This phrase is typically used in American English and is informal in nature. The origin of shoot the bull is somewhat unclear, but it's believed to have originated in the United States. It might come from the notion of shooting the breeze, which has a similar meaning. The use of bull possibly implies the casual, sometimes pointless, nature of the conversation, as bull can also refer to nonsensical or false talk. To properly use shoot the bull in a sentence, you can say something like, after work, we usually hang out at the cafe to shoot the bull. It's often used to describe casual, relaxed conversations among friends. Remember, it's not appropriate for formal contexts due to its informal nature. There are several expressions similar to shoot the bull in English. These include chew the fat, shoot the breeze, and talk shop. Though talk shop is more about discussing work-related matters. Understanding these can help you grasp the nuances of casual English conversation. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, shoot the bull, and how it's used in everyday English. Remember, getting comfortable with idiomatic expressions is a big step towards fluency in a new language. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning content.